G such that G equals generate of an element A equals to A raised to n, where n is an element of an integer. A group is cyclic if it contains an element such that the cyclic subgroup formed by the element is the entire group. So, considering the Z6, which is, sulat mo natin. So, in integer 6 or Z6, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Using the binary operation, addition plus mode 6. So, example, 8 mode 6. So, ang mode ng 8 is 2, which is, it will be like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, ang 8 mode 6 is 2. So, kapag ginamit naman natin yung subgroup generated by an element 1, so, magiging element niya is 1 plus 1. So, mag-start tayo sa 1. So, 1 plus 1 is magiging 2. Sunod, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So, 5 plus 1 is 6. But 6, ang 6 is, ang modulo niya is 0. So, magiging 0 na yan. So, sunod naman is subgroup generated by an element of 2. It will be like this. The element is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So, pag 6 na, magiging 0 na siya kasi yun yung mode niya. So, sunod naman ay sa 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So, 0 siya agad. Then, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So, 8, ang mode ng 8 is 2. So, magiging 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So, magiging 0. And 5. 5 plus 5 is, ilan yung mode niya? 10. So, ang mode ng 10 is 4. And then, so, ang mode naman ng, ang 4 plus 5 is 9. So, ang magiging, ano niya is 3. And 3 plus 5, ang mode nun is 2. And 2 plus 5 is 7. So, ang magiging mode niya is 1. And then, 1 plus 5 is 6. So, ang magiging mode niya naman is 0. So, ang mode ng 0, kung isulat pa natin, is still 0 because nga, it is number 6. So, the last element of our mode is 0. So, properties of a cyclic group. A is generator of a cyclic group if and only if A raised to negative 1 is also generator. So, in here, x equals to A raised to n, where n is an element of an integer. So, it means na equal siya sa x equals to A raised to negative 1 raised to negative n, where negative n is an element of an integer. So, we can see here in the order, which is the A, B, C, D, and A, B, C, D. So, yung A and A is A. So, here, kinuha namin yung sa B, which is B raised to 0 is equals to A. B raised to 1 is B. B raised to 2 is C. Kasi nga, B and B, which is B and B from here. So, it will be C. And B raised to 3 is C times B equals to D. Kasi nga, sa B raised to 2 is C ang sagot natin. So, mag-a-add na tayo ng isang B para makuha natin yung B raised to 3. So, C times B. It will be C and B from here. So, it will be D. So, as you can see here, then B raised to negative 1 raised to 0 is also A. Like, sa kabila, choose the positive 1. So, equal sila. Sa pangalawa naman is B raised to negative 1 raised to negative 1. So, bakit ba naging positive yung 1 dito? So, kasi nga, pag may raise tayo na dalawa na, so ipapag-multiply lang natin yung both races, which is or yung power, which is negative 1 times negative 1, it will be 1. And dito naman is negative 1 times negative 2, it will be 2. And negative 1 times negative 3 is, it will be 3. Kaya equal lang yung value ng ating, or yung element na ating magkabilaan, which is na, it means if A is generator of a cyclic group, then A raised to negative 1 is also a generator of a cyclic group. So, for the second property, A is a generator of finite cyclic group if and only if order of element A is equals to the order of element of the group. So, yung kunin natin is the order of element B, which is equal to 4, and the order of the group B raised to negative 1 is equals to 4. So, as you can see here, the order of element A is equals to order of the group, element of the group is equals to 4. And then the order of the element raised to negative 1 and is equals to 4 also. So it means that the order of element A and the order of element A raised to negative 1 is equal. So it's correct.
So the third properties of cyclic group is every cyclic group is abelian. So the G element of A is equal to A, X is Y, and element of G. So X times Y is also equal to Y times X. So X times Y is equal to A raised to N times A raised to M. We just simply copy the base, which is A raised to N, then plus the exponent N plus M, then equals to A raised to M plus N, and A raised to M times A raised to N is equal to X, Y times X, which is equal to this one. And the example for this is X times Y is equal to Z cubed times Z raised to 4, then Z 3 plus 4, then Z, we simply change 4 and 3, then Z is equal Z raised to 4 plus 3, then Z raised to 4 times Z cubed is equal to Y times X. The fourth properties is every subgroup of a cyclic group is a group. So this group of element of 1, group of element of negative 1 is natural number and positive, and negative number and positive. So number 1 is closure property, which is we simply add even number plus even number, then it equals to even number. Just for example is 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, which is correct. The number 2 is associative. This is 2 plus 3. Quantity of 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus quantity of 3 plus 4. Then number 3 is the identity, which is always equal to 0. And the 4 is inverse, then we simply negative. If this is positive, then we make it negative. Then number 5 is commutative, which is also positive.
The fifth properties of cyclic group is every prime order group is cyclic group, or P prime order is cyclic group. So for example, order of group is equals to 7, then we divide it. So order of element is equals to 1, then order of 6 element is equals to 7. Here are the how we get the 7. So this one. So order group, ito yung formula po. Order group is equals to prime. So we simply divide the order group and equals to prime. So order of element is equals to 1, then prime number is minus 1. For example, order group is equals to 11. So number 11 is a prime number. So i-divide lang natin. So order of element is equals to 1, then 11 minus 1, or the prime number 11 minus 1 is equals to 10 element equals to 11. The six properties of cyclic group is number of generators of a cyclic group of order n. So order of group is equals to n. Using the Euler quotient or the phi n or n is equals to p sub 1 raised to n times p sub 2 raised to n and so on p sub r raised to n r. So p sub n is equals to p times p sub 1 raised to n times p sub 2 raised to n and so on p sub r raised to n r. So p times p sub 1 and 1 or p sub 1 raised to n, then 5 sub times p sub 2 raised to n, then 5 times p sub r raised to n r. So 5 and 5 2 squared times 5 3 times 5 5. So bakit nga ba 5 times 5? So ganito siya. So I'm using the, for example dito is order of group is equals to 60. So 60 hanapin natin yung prime factor which is 2 divided by 60 is equals to 30. 30 divided by 2 is equals to 15. Then the 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. Then 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. Bakit nga maganda yung pan-divide natin? Kasi nga hinahanap natin is prime factor. So using the formula of the given or the pi times pi sub raised to n equals to prime raised to n minus pi n minus 1. So that is the given and this is the formula. So pi n squared is equals to 2 squared minus 2 squared minus 1. So 2 squared is 4, then 2 squared, negative 2 squared times 2 is equals to 2. Then 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Negative 2 is equals to 2. Then pi 3 is equals to 3 raised to 1 minus 3 raised to 0. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Bakit nga ba 1? Kasi any number that raised to 0 is equals to 1. Then pi 5 is equals to pi minus 1 minus pi raised to 0. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Then ang sagot is ganito siya. Yung pi n squared natin, pi 2 squared natin is 2, which is ito. Then pi 3 natin is equals to 2, which is ito. Then pi 5 natin is equals to 4, which is ito. Then 2 times 2 times 4 is equals to 16, or the order group is equals to 60 is 16. Diba? Kailangan natin mag-ilo kasi ano ito eh.
Ikat ko nyo lang to, play.
Hello guys.
Hello guys!
So guys,
Ikat nyo lang to.
Guys.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, go.
so hello guys, our topic is all about cyclic group
And proper
definition.
and
Dapat lang yung sarap.
Grabing katan talaga to. 30 seconds na. Wait lang.